You don't want to ever take your health for granted. I was at risk of sudden cardiac arrest. If it had not been for the LifeVest, I wouldn't be sitting here right now. When the doctors came in, he said, you have an electrical problem with your heart. He said, the good thing is that you caught yours in time.
In Alan's case, we ordered the LifeVest because he was at risk of having a fatal heart rhythm. Sudden cardiac arrest, it occurs instantaneously. A lot of people don't have any symptoms at all, and they're functioning completely normal at one point, and then the very next second, they go into a bad heart rhythm and they pass out and they're unconscious. And that's where the life-saving treatment of a LifeVest is very important. The LifeVest does a great job at detecting abnormal rhythms, and it can provide a life-saving shock very quickly. It has to be on and worn appropriately to do that.
So they walked me through it and told me every part of what I needed to know to operate it. They made me feel very comfortable. I didn't stop my activities or anything. I went back to doing what I was doing before. Because I had a LifeVest, I knew that if something happened, it would take care of me. And believe it or not, I actually went back to work.
One of the big benefits of a LifeVest is it does provide patients with the peace of mind. They know that if I do have an abnormal rhythm, I have this device right here that can save my life and put me back into normal rhythm.
I was at the laundromat washing my clothes. Now my son said that I dropped to the floor, and then all of a sudden, the LifeVest kicked in, and then I just woke up.
Alan, he did pass out, but his LifeVest very quickly recognized this abnormal rhythm and provided a life-saving shock, which is why Alan is still here with us today.
When I think about my future, I am looking forward to raising my son, teaching him how to be a man. I'm excited about getting back to regular life. I'm excited about taking little walks. I'm excited about going back to the movies. I'm excited about life. So what I would say to anybody else is put the vest on. Go by the instructions, do everything that they told you to do. You can still do daily activities. LifeVest saved my life. It gave me a future.